that entertaining of the twisting of the truth was enough to get the foot of doubt and disbelief in the door. And so there began our struggle with mental illness or mental ill health, because we were no longer in an environment where there was wholeness because of the lack of trust, because of the division, because of the separation that was created by way of the disobedient um, thing that Adam and Eve did when they ate from the fruit of the tree in direct disobedience to what God told them not to do. When they did that, it instantly created a separation. So man was no longer whole because he was no longer connected to the whole.